Welcome to today's tutorial in which you'll learn how to make radiation zones in Minecraft. Let's get started with me showing you what it actually does. First of all, if you're in a radiation zone, you get nausea, which is pretty annoying, and then if you've got enough radiation, you start taking damage and getting poisoned. You can also remove the radiation by jumping into water. You can add new effects to this creation pretty easily, and I'm gonna show you how you can do so. The first step you should take is creating a scoreboard called radiation. This can be done by using an impulse command block and then just press the button or typing it directly into the chat. Next, you need to create an actual radiation area, and I'm gonna show you how. Scoreboard players added E, X equals, and then you have to insert your coordinates, so the coordinates you want your radiation zone to start at. Insert them here. The first coordinate is the X coordinate, the second one is the Y coordinate, and the third one is the Z coordinate. And then the offset regulates how big this whole area is. You might also have to take negative numbers, but this fully depends on your creation. If you are not sure how to use this, then join my Discord server and I can probably help you there. For example, here I took a 10 by 10 by 300 radiation zone, and what happens if anyone enters this zone, then they get radiation once per tick. So now the next step is optional, but I'd recommend it so you can see if this fully works and also it looks better. Just copy this whole title or command, and if you want to, you can change the text here, you can change the color if you want to. So now the color is cyan, but that's it about this command block. As I said, just copy all of this text. Also, as you could see in the beginning, I got nausea when I entered the zone. For that, grab this command block with the control and mouse wheel, and then place it here and change the scoreboard stuff to effect nausea 10-1 true or 10-0 true. 1 is a bit more of nausea, I think. And I'm not sure if you even see any difference. And this whole radiation area stays the same. If you enjoyed watching so far, consider leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and maybe joining my Discord server. It's linked in the description. Now we've got two effects for the actual radiation I made for the sake of this tutorial, and I'm gonna show you how you can make new effects, but I'm explaining to you. So the first thing is damage at E, scores equals radiation equals 100 or more, 1, and this happens once a second, so once each 20 ticks, which is a second. If you want to change the damage for this one, then just change this number, or if you want to change the threshold it applies at, then change this here. Well, that were my coordinates from the zone. This is for poison. It just dyes your heart's green and also applies some extra damage, and in this case you need radiation 150 to get it. But this whole thing is pretty simple, I don't think I need to explain anything else. And yeah, if you want to create your own effect, then, well, you can use an effect command, you can use an execute command, whatever, that's up to you. Then just use add E scores equals radiation equals, then your radiation threshold you wanted to start it. And if you wanted to stop at some other point, then, so if I wanted the players to have radiation up to a time where they have, if I wanted the players to have this effect up to a point where they have 150 radiation, then I can add the two dots here. But I wanted to apply from 150 radiation to any other type of radiation. And if I wanted to, let's say, apply to each player that has radiation between 150 and 200, I can do it this way. Sorry for this really bad explanation, by the way, but I can't make it better without writing a script. Then you can just complete your commands here, and yeah, that's the selector. That's all I wanted to point out. Now you just need to remove the radiation if the player touches water. And for that, I made this command block. You can, by the way, also fasten the speed. This implies that. For example, I can just remove the delay in ticks. If you want to have it like I had it at the beginning, then don't do anything here. But now you see the radiation decreases way faster. This was the tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you could get along with my shitty explanations.